Coming up on May 5th, there's going to be a wonderful tour called A Taste of Nature, where you're going to be able to go and walk around Barbara Lake, and this is being put on by the Gate 11 Garden Tour, and I'd like to welcome two folks from that area. We have Eva Lydek here today and Eileen Lazar. And first of all, welcome, but tell us about this Gate 11 Garden Tour. Now, Gate 11, is this a club that you've kind of come up with to promote these tours? We have a Gate 11 club,
and Carol Moore got in touch with us.
Okay.
And she let us know that she was doing an event that would benefit the city library,
right.
And she asked if we would participate. And so we have several of our manor owners that are going to participate in the tour.
Very good. And yeah, she was on last couple weeks ago talking about this, and this is going to be benefiting not the village library, but the Orange County Library branch that is within the city of Laguna Woods in the city council offices, and it's something they hope to expand.
Yes, the city library has run out of space. It's a little small.
Yes,
and
really small.
The goal is to raise some money and see if we can get a suitable location, a little larger location.
Yeah, very nice. Now, Eva, coming up, as I said, on May 5th, this is going to be just a wonderful day, and
nice day.
Yeah, it really is. And we're showing the photo of Barbara Lake, how it's got water in it.
It has water in it.
Yes.
Yes. So it is a garden tour, and there'll be 6 gardens. But and then there'll be the stop that overlooks Barbara's Lake.
Yeah.
And I'll be there with a couple friends who are knowledgeable about nature. We're kind of the taste of nature. And we will be overlooking Barbara's Lake with a scope, so we'll be able to see if there's what else is around, and hopefully, give people an idea of kind of the surroundings beyond the village even, as well as the beautiful gardens within the village.
Yeah, and there's a lot of great gardens. And what's really nice, we're looking at a video here of the lake. As we know, just last year, it was pretty much gone. It was like a muddy pond. And what's really interesting, we were talking about this ahead of time, this is the only natural lake in Orange County, which is stunning. But every other lake is man-made.
It's a man-made lake.
Yeah.
And with the amount of rainfall we've had, as you can see from the video, the lake is full.
Yeah.
We're getting quite a bit of waterfowl. The migrating birds are stopping by. And hopefully we'll be able to view some of the wildlife while the people are there on tour, and the volunteers from the Audubon. Eva's people will be able to.
Or whatever else pops by.
Yeah.
I mean, you never know, because we'll be looking into the hillside of Laguna Canyon Park, and there could be, who knows, a deer or a coyote.
That's true.
We never know, but we'll be there and we'll be looking for it.
Now, I want to mention that this is a contribution of $30, which is tax deductible, and they can make the check out to Laguna Woods Civic Support. Is that correct?
Yes.
And that will be given on the day of the tour where everyone meets. It's given to one of you. Is that how? Or Carol Moore will be there?
You can actually contact Carol Moore through the numbers at the bottom of the flyer.
Okay.
We're asking that the individuals who are interested in going on A Taste of Nature prepay. So we're going to make name tags, so the contributors will be easily identified. This way also that we'll get a good count of how many visitors we'll be able to expect. The idea will be to stagger the starts so that if we have 7 different locations, then different groups will be starting at different locations. So we're
kind of
asking,
like a shotgun start in golf.
Correct.
Yes. Now, where do people meet?
They'll be meeting at Clubhouse 5 initially.
Okay.
They'll be picking up their name badges there, and then they'll be giving at that point they'll be given a route.
Okay, and we have a picture of, as you said, Eva, the very tiny little library that is hoped to be expanded on and really serve this community.
Yes, yes, yes. I mean, I think Carol and all of us would like to see more. It's only open from 10 to 4, and that's Monday through Friday. So it really restricts the use. A lot of people do come in and use the computers there.
Right.
Of course, within Laguna Woods Village, we have the wonderful PC Center and
Right.
the Mac Center.
Yeah.
But people that live outside the village, that's their source of computers if they don't have it.
Right.
And so it's restricted. And I don't use the computers there, but every time I go in to get books,
Yeah.
they're all busy working away on their computers. So it'd be nice to be able to have more time and more computers, and also maybe have room to do some other programs,
Yeah.
like how to use electronic books.
Right, right. I think that's great. So they need to call this number, one of these two numbers on the bottom of the flyer, am I right?
They can call the 949-465-9716 or 949-639-0500.
Okay, and this again is on Sunday, May 5th, and it's going to be a wonderful garden tour, and you overlook Barbara Lake. And by the way, if you ever want to go to Barbara Lake, you go over and park at the Nix Nature Center, and you walk under Laguna Canyon Road, and they give you a little map, and you walk over there.
Yeah.
Really,
It's a lovely walk.
right now, it looks like it hasn't looked in years, so take advantage of that. Ladies, thank you for coming on.
Thank you for
I
having us.
appreciate it. This is going to be a wonderful event, and really nice. It's going to benefit local library here. So great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll
Thank
be right
you.
back.